Okay, let me tell you why the Stanley Original Degreaser and the stainless steel scrubbers that they have are my new holy grail cleaning products. This degreaser dissolves grease and grime and it can cut through in seriously seconds. I mean, stuff that I didn't think that I could scrub out, this stuff covers. So like my microwave, for example, my kids love to let things explode and it takes me forever to clean this. But with this degreaser, I am not kidding when I say that this cut through in a matter of seconds. I mean, look at this. This is all thanks to the degreaser and the scrubber doing the tough work for me. Now, another way that I love using this product is laundry. So this is my son's favorite shirt. He spilt something on it that I could not get out. I was going to throw it away until I decided to try this degreaser, and you just use a half a cup in your load and look, the stain is completely gone. I mean, I was going to throw away this shirt. So this product is worth going and getting and checking out for yourself. Trust me, you'll be so happy that you did.